Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In continuation with the time series data analysis, today let us see how to analyze price data by using multiplicative model. This model is used to study the behavior of price over period of time. We have to find out circular trend, cyclical variation, irregular variation, seasonal variation by using the formula y equal to t into c into I into s. Circular trend is found out by using linear regression equation y equal to a plus bt. The same thing is discussed in previous video. Cyclical variation helps us to understand recession period and reap the benefits during booms. The cyclical variation is studied through moving average method. Irregular variation, irregular movement of values over period of time due to random factors like flood, earthquake, tsunami, and sudden changes in human behavior. Seasonal variation, it occurs with some degree of irregularity with a specific period of 1 year or shorter. It is useful to take policy decisions regarding purchase, production, inventory control and the like. The seasonal variation in monthly average values is studied for 20 years by applying moving average method. The data is going to be analyzed in Microsoft Excel by following these steps. The first step, we have to have the data of year and actual price in column 1 and 2. I have taken the price of cardamom for this analysis for the period of 20 years between 1999 and 2018. The actual price per kilogram. The data has been collected from Spices Port, Cochin. The second step, to find the trend price by using simple regression. In data tab, data analysis, regression, we have to select the ranges and we have to take the residual, then only we can get trend value. This is the result of regression. Let me check whether the value is okay or not. Yes, the actual price, the total of actual price and the trend price are the same. Now we don't want this data. And the next step, calculate a D-trend by dividing column 3 by column 2. I have given the label number column 1 for year, column 2 for price, column 3 for trend, column 4 for D-trend. As per the steps given, column 3 divided by column 2, enter. This is the D-trend value. And the next step, insert a row between 2-year data for moving average. So we have to add the data or row between 2-year information. Likewise, the data will be like this. So column 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, what is that? In column 5, add 6-year D-trend values after 3rd year row. After 3rd year, first, second, 3rd year row, next add 6-year moving average. 1 plus 2-year, 3rd year, 4th year, 5th year and 6th year, enter. The same data can be copied and pasted in next row, and now we can check the next column will be taken. Now this 6-year moving average has been calculated up to the 20th coverage. So this is the point where the last 20th year is properly covered. And the next step, the 6th column, summation of 2 6-yearly average. sixth column. This is a summation of 2 yearly to 6 yearly average. Copy, paste, paste. So the data will be like this. And the next column we have to find out the seventh column, divide column 6 by 12. Column here equal to column 6 by 12. It will go like this. Now we have find out cyclical variation and irregular variation. Divide column 4 by 7. Column equal to column 4 by 7. Copy and paste in corresponding row. This is irregular variation. So now we have found out all required information, that is a secular trend, cyclical variation and irregular variation, and seasonal variation should be analyzed separately, but the same thing is presented like this. This is the entire data, the year, actual price, trend price, index of cyclical variation, index of irregular variation, and the same can be plotted in graph. Thank you for watching. If you like, please share, subscribe and comment.